Hello, this video explains the season for Capsim Capstone round 6. We have completed 5 rounds, so round 6 we are leading the game with top sales and profit. So we just keep going as our strategy, broad differentiation strategy. We have added 3 new products in round 1, 2, 3, and now we have 8 products in 5 segments, and we lead the game with top sales and profit much higher than the other competitors. So you see that we just increase performance and size for 8 products, and we check the launching date to make sure the new products launch in the same year. And now you see the marketing table. We just reduce the price, reduce the price by 50 cents, half a dollar around per hour to maintain the competitiveness of the product. So you see that we update the product for 8 products, as you see on the screen. And now we need to calculate the sales forecast, for each of the 8 product, right? Sales forecast. We need to open the career report and look at the production part, as you see on the screen. And you see 2 most important columns is unit sold and inventory. Unit sold from last round and inventories we are having. We can use the free Excel files introduced in previous round to calculate the sales forecast faster and more conveniently. So after using Excel file to calculate the sales forecast, so we can input the sales forecast here. You can add about 10 or 15%, 10-15% to avoid stock out, because we are selling very well right now. And now we move to promotion and sales. This screen is quite strange because if you have simple marketing, you just input the promotion and sale, but it is a advanced marketing screen, so it looks maybe different to your screen a little bit. Again, if you have simple marketing, just use 1,400 for promotion and sales for each product. And now for advanced marketing screen, you can see that print media and direct mail we use maximum number allowed 700 and 800 for web media and email and trade social. We use 300 for this round and leave higher spending for round 7 and 8. We also set the decision for inside and outside sales and distributor. We use about 10 and 12 for all the 5 segments, right? As you see on the screen. Outside sales, inside sales, and distributor use 10 or 12. Because we reach 100% of customer awareness and also 100% of customer accessibility already. And for time and location, we use about 12% for each. We have 8 products, so we use for each about 12%. And now it's important to input a production plan. For production plan, we also use the Excel file to calculate based on the sales forecast. We calculate from the last screen, and also we deduct by the inventories you see on the second line of the screen. And then we input the production schedule for 8 of the product, as you see we are doing. And also remember that we need to increase capacities to meet increasing demand. Right now we have quite higher demand from the market, so remember to increase our production capacities by more capacities for the needed product. We also update the automation for high-end performance side to 6.0 and increase inventories for the product. They are having higher demand, like a low-end product and size, and also the new low-end product and the new traditional. So we will have enough capacity for production in round 7 and round 8. Do not increase too much, just about just keep the demand about 150% of capacity. And for human resource management, we use 5,080 hours as usual. This is round 6, so we can pay some dividends, buy back some stocks, and also pay dividend and buy back some stocks to increase our stock price and increase earning per share. You can use some long-term debt, long-term loans to avoid emergency. We check that we have quite high cash in hand, so we do maybe we do not need long-term loans this round. For the next screen, you see that's total quality management. We use 1,000 for each TQM initiative, and use all of them from round 4 to round 7. So we use spend 1,000 for this round and 1,000 from next round. Now on the screen you see the estimated result we get 400, about 400 million sales and 137 for contribution margin and net profit of 68. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.